Walter was fired from his job at a newspaper when only 18. Humiliated but determined, he had an interesting journey to becoming world famous and creating a record that is still unbeaten. It had been only a few months in the job when the editor fired him. Worst of all, he criticized Walter of lacking imagination and having no good ideas. Although disheartened, Walter was determined to pursue his childhood love of drawing. Thus, he started his own business, a studio. But it soon failed and was closed due to lack of customers. Next year, with a new idea, he found a client and started a second studio. But this one failed because the income wasn't enough to sustain the employees. At 22, Walter was already bankrupt twice. So he moved to Hollywood, the capital of the movie industry. His plan was to become a live-action film director. There, he formed a studio with his brother, his third venture. This brought the first major success with the creation of the cartoon character Oswald the Lucky Rabbit. But his studio received only 20% of the profits. Wanting to avoid another bankruptcy, he tried to negotiate for a bigger share. To Walter's utter shock, the distributor claimed full rights to Oswald, stole his staff and gave him an even lesser fee. Although devastated, he worked hard on his studio. He created a new character, which became the world's most loved cartoon ever, Mickey Mouse. Yes, he is the famous cartoonist, entrepreneur, animator, voice actor, and film producer Walt Disney. Some said a huge mouse on the screen would terrify women and Mickey would fail. But even today, 90 years later, Mickey is the most recognized cartoon ever. However, Disney's struggles weren't over yet. The new distributors played the same game of refusing to increase his share and stealing his staff. Betrayed a second time, Walt had a nervous breakdown in 1931. But once again, he backed himself and went in search of a new distributor. Then, with Columbia Pictures, he created many acclaimed animated films: Three Little Pigs, Snow White, Alice in Wonderland, Winnie the Pooh, Pinocchio, Robin Hood, Jungle Book. Walt Disney won 22 Oscars from 59 nominations between 1932 and 1969. This is still an all-time record for most wins and most nominations for any individual ever. What if Disney had believed his editor? Mickey wouldn't exist. If a genius like Walt Disney can be called uncreative by an authority figure, can anyone's negative opinion of you be true? After humiliation, struggle, multiple failures, and bankruptcies, he still pursued his love until he created history. Disney's story is amazing proof of the life truth. Passion overcomes failures. Others' opinions are their personal property. Let them carry its heavy burden, while we follow our heart. Today, I choose to tap into my passion and find a way to make it successful. Opinions are just thoughts, ever changing. They don't define you, and neither does failure. What defines you are your actions. Deep within, beyond thoughts, lies your true essence. Be that. Walt Disney is a true inspiration. Next, watch how this boy in a wheelchair won an Olympic medal. Subscribe for more motivation.